Hello and good day, traders. Hope you are enjoying the weekend. 7th November, I did a video on Gbpusd, and on 7th November, let's go to day time frame now. On 7th November, I clearly mentioned that this was 6th November and this was 7th, that the price will come to this region, the black line I mentioned. The reason behind that, if we take this latest pattern P6 with our previous pattern, immediate previous pattern P5, we can see that this is 50%. If we measure this black line is the 50%, and we have this scope that it will form the this cup and this handle, but it failed now, and the price breakdown of this black line. And if we go to 4 hours, before we go to 4 hours, let me explain a bit more. Also, I did mention that there was a fair value gap here up to here. So this fair value gap, the big candlestick, this green one, has been mitigated already here, and we can see there is a shadow in this green, and it has already touched the next candle fair value gap. So a little of that also been mitigated. So if we remove this fair value gap, what I have drawn before, if we remove this, then we are only left with this area of fair value gap at the moment. This is the area we are left with, considering this green candle. Now if we go to 4 hours time frame, we can see that there is a double bottom here, it has formed. Now question is, what will happen in next week? To be very honest with you guys, the price action and pattern is not giving us higher probability for any trade. So if we draw this one, this one, so this is our pattern 7, we can say. So let's mark it P7 in 4 hour time frame. So this is P5 in FOREX, and it is double bottom. It's very clear here that, let me write it in English so things will be very easy to understand. P4 double bottom in FOREX. So this is what we have now, and now the actual cup and handle, I don't know how much this strength has left. So this guy is out, same as this guy is out, and this guy is out also, and we have to remove these two. So going back to 4 hours, we can see that this is the situation we are facing now. So my best option, if we consider the best probable trade what we can have now, is that if we measure the length from here to here, as this is the one, then the price may come up to this level back again. This is the place the price must come back. This is my way of thinking, and the reason behind that is, I beg your pardon, I have to keep the drawing so we can match this later on or in the middle of the week, so what is going on to understand. So this is the place where the price should come, and this is if we come on, so if we keep it like this, the price will come back here, and we have to remove this half. Let's keep this half right now here for the reference. So if the price comes here and mitigate the fair value gap here and here, and then it will take the liquidity from here again. It has to need to take the liquidity. So there is one option that let us draw one by one. It will go like this a little bit, then come here, then it will test here, and it will go up to this position. And once the market reach here, then it will open a different gate, different zone to calculate. We will do that later on, middle of the week, maybe on Tuesday or on Wednesday. On the flip side, if we see this, the price may, I repeat, may test here again and test this, and it will break down. And once it breaks down, it will come to this zone. It will not stop anymore. So if we consider bringing this something like this, but there is a little chance coming here, because we have seen that the lower low is this and this is higher low. So I am expecting that may not eat to form such lower low, maybe on this area. These two guys will be online, so it will come up to this. So this is the best option. So my advice, or I can opinionate it, that wait for getting long, wait once the price gets above this line, which is give and take 122.50, and you can go for this one from here to here. Or if it breaks here, that is 121.83, then you can take a trade, I think, to these levels. This will be a safe zone, for the time. And then later we will see how the market is putting us in terms of pattern structure as well as the price action. And that is all for GBP. But as long as the price is in this zone, it will not be safe to trade in this zone. I don't advise, because either it can change its direction anytime, towards upward or towards downward. Take care, guys. If you have any comments or if you have any analysis, please do share with me. I would love to learn from you guys too. And any trade you take based on this analysis is completely your responsibility. Thank you very much.